New Jersey Craftsmanship, Bayhead Harbor. Nestled along the peaceful waters of Bayhead Harbor, this New Jersey waterfront home is a true masterpiece of craftsmanship and thoughtful design. Combining traditional architectural elements with modern amenities, this residence offers a seamless blend of comfort and elegance. The spacious patio is a key feature, boasting an outdoor kitchen and an inviting lounge area, perfect for hosting gatherings by the water. A standout element is the retractable roof over the pergola, which allows homeowners to enjoy both sunny days and shaded comfort at any time. Whether you're savoring an afternoon breeze or relaxing beneath the stars, the flexibility of this space enhances outdoor living in every season. The addition of an outdoor fireplace elevates the ambiance, making it an ideal spot for cozy winter nights or lively summer parties. Inside, expansive windows frame picturesque views of the harbor, flooding the home with natural light and offering a constant connection to the serene surroundings. The interior design features a blend of classic and modern elements, with an open floor plan that flows seamlessly from the kitchen to the living areas. The use of natural materials such as stone and wood not only adds warmth, but also complements the home's waterfront location. Every corner of this Bayhead Harbor home has been thoughtfully curated, making it perfect for anyone who loves both outdoor entertaining and tranquil waterfront living. Whether you're an avid boater or simply enjoy the calmness of the water, this residence offers a luxurious escape just a short distance from the hustle of city life.